It's funny, my birds are all lined up. Shh, quiet. Wow, this is so rare. The second one from the left, the white one, Popcorn, she rarely ever comes outside, but yesterday she was out a lot. All 6 of the birds were out. I've never seen them line up like pigeons before. It's hilarious. And the very third one from the left, no, the fourth one, the one that just climbed down, Blue Sky never comes out much either. Now they're moving around. Q, don't touch my plants. Oop. No, that's Blue Sky right there. Hey guys. Funny birds. Oop. Now they're all going down. Oops, they're all going down. Look at them. Hey guys. They're so cute. They're like in a pack. No. Green Apple's still up here. Hey, Green Apple. Look at them. Hey guys. Shh, will you guys quiet down? You're scaring them. Hey guys. They're so cute. Oh, look at that. Green Apple on the left and the right is Breeze. Wow. And the right hand one is Popcorn. Ooh, there's Ocean on the right, far right, the fourth one on the right. That's Blue Sky right there. And that one right there is Pineapple, the yellow one. You guys are too cute. You guys are